Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to create a system restore point on your Windows 11 PC or in laptop. Okay, so for this guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. So just press Windows key button and here you need to search create a restore point. Just open it. After this guys, here you can get new window. From here in the project setting, here you need to select your system drive. So I have C system drive. Just select your system drive and click on configure. Okay, now here you need to select turn on system protection. Just select it and click on apply and click on okay. That's it. Now here you can get the option create. Just click on create. That's it. Now your system restore point was created on your PC. Now in case if you want to recover your system restore point on your Windows 11, you can follow this method. Once again press Windows key button and search create a restore point like this, and here you can get the new window. Here you need to select system restore. Just select it and just follow the on screen process. Just click on next. After this yes, here you can get the option to finish. Just click on finish button. That's it. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.